Hey guys, it's Allison. So today I am doing a nail tutorial for you guys. Why did I say that so loud, high-pitched? A nail tutorial for you guys because you asked me when I mentioned it in my, I don't remember what video I mentioned it. Oh, no, I don't remember. Curse you!
Where's Maria?
So I forget what video I mentioned it in, or like an Instagram story somewhere in the past, I don't know, but you guys were really into it and I wanted to show you how I do it. I don't have time or money to be spending on getting my nails done, but I want them to always look nice, so I invested in my own little gel kit and I got a UV light on Amazon. I'll link it down below, but it was like 20 bucks, and then all you need is a base and top coat. The polish, I just like this one because, I mean, I ordered a couple colors and then I just keep ordering them. They're like $4. It's the brand's Clavuz, C-L-A-V-U-Z. As you guys know, I love sparkles and glitter. Ooh, they're so cool. So fun and so easy, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do it and hopefully you guys try it at home. So let me know if you try it and let's get started. First up is the base. I'm going to take this base coat and apply it all over my nails. Make sure your nails are clean. It's very important. All right, now you're going to put your hand in the UV light, do a little dance with your fingers, and you're good to go. Next, taking the polish of your choice, you're just going to paint your nails. Do however many coats you need. I did 2 here, and then you're just going to put it back in the light. Last step is to just top it off with the top coat, paint it right over top, and then put your hand back in the light. And your first hand is donezo. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other hand. And then you will have beautiful nails. So there you have it, guys, a do-it-yourself gel manicure. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little nail tutorial. I hope that it made it easy if you guys were thinking about starting to do your own nails. So I'd rather just do it myself. And it's cheaper because it was like 40 bucks to get everything, and that's like the cost of a gel manicure, so you get your money's worth real quick, and it's so easy. And I don't like to be at the nail salon. I feel like it always takes forever. I don't want to see anybody. I always like am a mess when I go to the salon. It's just all the bad things. So this has really made my life a lot easier, and I hope that this was helpful for you guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions, anything else. I'll answer everything down below, and let me know if you try it or if you guys do your own nails at home. I would love to know. Until next time, bye.